All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing some rear brakes and some wheel cylinders on the daily, because it started leaking and this was full of brake fluid, and these have kind of wet sanded themselves down, so they're just smooth, so not really stopping the vehicle anymore. I'm going to swap out the cylinder first, just that way I can, when I put stuff back in, it's actually going to hold onto something and not fight me trying to put the new one back in. Okay, now I'm gonna pull these springs off. They do not like to come out nicely. Okay, I've got that top spring off. So now, let's see. This side spring here. That out. Okay. Old wheel cylinder out. Then you want to go in. Okay, in tight. Okay, tighten this one back up. All right, after fighting with that, finally got it on. Got the new wheel cylinder in, so I need to put the new pins in, get all the little springs put in here so that everything holds. All right, so now that that's all put back together, need to adjust it, bleed this. Got the brake all done, and while I'm in here, I might as well replace some shocks since I have new ones. These are gonna be 14s probably. Pull the strut out on this side, or the shock out. All right, so I got this other side done. My phone died, so had to charge that up. I swap this shock out, then bleed some brakes on this. Two, those out. Oh. All right, I'll pull this apart because I need the top hat. All right, I gotta throw the new shock together. So, a lot of times. Boom. There. All right. Now we just got to get this into there. One, two. In here, grab this gun quick. Tight. Just double check all these things are clean. Okay. Perfect. Now I just gotta bleed some brakes. All right, well, that's a lot of new parts all installed in there. Brakes are bled. So that's looking Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.